With this strategy, choose the easiest and most convenient way for your trades and positions because it can give you a very good profit. Understanding RSI and EMA 50 RSI, Relative Strength Index. RSI is a momentum oscillator that ranges from 0 to 100, typically used to identify overbought or oversold conditions in the market. A reading above 70 generally indicates that a stock is overbought and might be due for a pullback, while a reading below 30 suggests that a stock is oversold and could be primed for a reversal to the upside. EMA 50, Exponential Moving Average. The EMA 50 is a type of moving average that places more weight on recent price data, making it more responsive to price changes than a simple moving average, SMA. The EMA 50 is commonly used to identify the overall trend direction. If the price is above the EMA 50, it indicates an uptrend, while a price below the EMA 50 suggests a downtrend. A multi-time frame strategy involves analyzing the same stock across different time frames to get a broader understanding of its trend and momentum. For example, a trader might look at the daily chart to identify the overall trend and then switch to a shorter time frame like the 4-hour or 1-hour chart to fine-tune entry and exit points. 1. Identify the trend on the higher time frame. Start by analyzing the daily or weekly chart using the EMA 50. If the stock price is above the EMA 50, it suggests an overall uptrend, and if it's below, a downtrend. This will help you align your trades with the broader market trend, which is crucial for increasing the probability of success. 2. Check RSI for momentum. Once the trend is identified, check the RSI on the same higher time frame. Thank you for liking the video. Let's go to the most important strategy from which you can learn a lot. 3. Fine-tune entries on a lower time frame. After identifying the broader trend and momentum, switch to a lower time frame, e.g., 4-hour or 1-hour chart. Here, you can use the EMA 50 and RSI again to find optimal entry points. In an uptrend, you would look for pullbacks towards the EMA 50 on the lower time frame where the RSI is not overbought, preferably between 30 and 50, to position yourself for a long trade. In a downtrend, wait for a pullback to the EMA 50 on the lower time frame where the RSI is not oversold, preferably between 50 and 70, for a short trade. In an uptrend, positioning above EMA 50. Look to enter long positions when the stock price pulls back to the EMA 50 on the lower time frame and the RSI is not overbought. This area is considered a strong support zone in an uptrend. Avoid entering when RSI is overbought. If the RSI is above 70, even if the price is above the EMA 50, it's better to wait for a pullback to a more neutral RSI level before entering. In a downtrend, positioning below EMA 50. Consider short positions when the price pulls back to the EMA 50 on the lower time frame and the RSI is not oversold. This area acts as a resistance zone in a downtrend. Avoid shorting when RSI is oversold. If the RSI is below 30, avoid entering new short positions, as the stock might be due for a reversal or a temporary bounce. The significance of EMA 50 in trend analysis. Trend identification. The EMA 50 is instrumental in filtering out noise and identifying the prevailing trend. Since the EMA gives more weight to recent price data, it responds quicker to changes, making it ideal for identifying the start of a new trend or confirming an existing one. EMA 50 as dynamic support resistance. In an uptrend, the EMA 50 often acts as a dynamic support level, where the price tends to bounce after minor corrections. Conversely, in a downtrend, the EMA 50 can act as resistance. Observing how the price behaves around the EMA 50 on different time frames can provide insight into the strength of the trend. Crossovers with price. Bullish crossover. When the price crosses above the EMA 50 from below, it could signal the start of an uptrend. However, confirmation with RSI to ensure the price isn't already overbought and a higher time frame analysis is crucial. Thank you for watching the video so far. I hope you can make the most of it. Watch the video related to the strategy.